Alright guys, I figured I'd give a little tip and trick to all the people out there that are trying to get their hub off of their Dodge Rams. Now, a lot, especially in places where they use a bunch of salt and stuff like that, this hub, it needs to separate right here. Well, it's press fit in there, and guys have trouble getting that sucker out of there because of rust and everything else, right? And I've seen guys use these big fancy pullers and these big fancy equipment that costs a lot of money that most people don't have. So I'm gonna give you a little tip and trick here. Obviously, you gotta get your axle nut off of there. Once you got your axle nut off, right, you've got these 4 bolts that are on the corners, right? All I've done is I've broke them loose and I've backed them up to where they're flush. See that? So now on the back side, you can see the head of the bolt here. What I'm gonna do is actually use the truck to break this thing loose, right? So you get you a socket, for the bolt here. You get you an extension on that sucker, and you can run it over to where it's going to rest up against that truck. Now you're going to start the truck, and then you're going to turn your wheel, in this case to the left, and the power steering on the truck is actually going to press this thing out of here for you. That way you don't have to kill yourself trying to get it out. I'm going to start the truck up, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, hopefully you saw that thing separate. Now you got this nice big gap here. You're gonna take your socket off of this side. You'll have to rotate your wheels so that you got enough room to get in here. But you'll put it on this side, and then you'll do the same thing. You'll just turn the wheel the opposite direction, and it'll press this side out. There you go, guys. See ya.